our floating dream home. Hope you enjoy our look at our life of building a catamaran.
Finally, the big day has arrived. We were ready to move our boat down to the marina. The excitement was unreal, but so were the nerves. To get the boat to the main road, we had about 500 metres of dirt track to go over, partly through the bush on our property and partly over the next door's land. For weeks before, it had been dry and dusty. The ground was hard as a rock, easy for the truck to run over. One day before they arrived, the heavens opened up and we had one of the heaviest rainfalls in 6 years, 2 months of rain in 4 hours, turning our rock-hard track into a flowing river of mud and slush. With the truck bogged on the side of the track, our excitement quickly turned to panic. We ended up dumping 6 truckloads of crushed rock onto the track and spreading it with the excavator and bobcat. Day 1 was completely lost, just getting the truck up to the shed.
Can he get through there or is it a bit muddy? Is it muddy?
Yeah, he's stuck.
Stuck in there now?
Yeah. See it's going sideways?
Yeah.
Let's let the water run down. Getting there.
That's amazing.
At last, the truck made it up to the shed and was carefully backed into place. The crew began the slow, precise work of blocking up and tying down the boat.
Stop.
The nerves were building again. Because of the shed height, we had to lower the boat more than what was needed for transporting on the main road. The rudders were so close to the driveway we had to stop and dig a trench for the port side to clear. Once out of the shed, we then had to lower her again and reblock everything to the correct height for the road permit.
Okay, so after a few false starts, it looks like today's the day, or I should say tonight's the night. It's almost 11 o'clock at night, and we've got the permit from the local authorities to move the boat. So we're staged down by the highway, or by the side road I should say, towards the highway, and we'll be hopefully moving the boat out and be down in the marina in the morning.
Awesome.
Let's go, just coming down into the dip now, still well clear. Let's get right. Yes, nicely done mate, nicely done. Coming off the left hand side.
Yeah, she's good sound.
Right hand side, all the back please. Oh, you got a radio? Oh, yes.
Hey babe,
Mate, you're all clear on the left hand side as well.
my heart pounds.
Your heart pounded. I just pooed myself.
I'm pretty sure I did a little wee then.
Yeah.
Once we got to the main road, we had to swap the prime mover for a larger truck, as the permit required a longer truck to lessen the impact on the road. It seems strange for a boat weighing only around 8 tonnes, but regulations leave little room for argument.
Keep going. Nice and slow. Come to your right if you need, mate. Slightly over to your right a little bit if you can. Just a little bit. That's it, straight up.
Oh my god, he's hitting the
Slow down, mate,
thing.
slow down.
Baby, it's hitting the pole.
Yeah.
Fucking fell in the gully, yeah. Oh, keep going.
It's hitting it, baby.
Yeah, it won't hurt it, darling. It's a movable pole. See? It's just a rubber pole. Slow and catch them up.
Then came one of the most heart-stopping moments of the trip. A loud bang was heard, followed by a roadside sign spinning around like a kid's toy spinning top. The sign had been hit by our boat. Our hearts sank. Kel jumped out of the ute with legs like jelly, expecting to see a huge hole in the hull. Somehow, fortune was on our side. The sign had only clipped one of the side lights on the truck for the wide load and missed the boat by millimetres. The only mark was a black scuff from a sliding sling, something that should polish out okay.
Oh shit! Oh my god, what happened? Oh my god, that's a huge damage. Oh no, babe. It's gone too far. I'm really pissed off. Oh my god.
Just stay there. Just stay there. Wherever you go. damage. It hit the light on the side.
Oh, think about the damage of what we
So was I, that hit the fucking sign.
Relieved but still rattled, we continued on. Every so often we stopped to check the tie-downs, making sure the boat was still secure. Along the route, trees needed trimming, and traffic signposts had to be removed and replaced after we passed. Nothing about the trip was simple. We finally arrived at the Marina gate, and the team from the Marina was ready and waiting for us. In that moment, both Kel's blood pressure and mine seemed to drop instantly. We climbed out of the ute with smiles, exhaustion, and a sense of renewed energy. After all the chaos, stress, and near misses, the next chapter of our journey had finally begun. 5 hours had passed since we first pulled out onto the roadside, a trip that would normally take only 40 minutes to get to. What a day! It was one we would never forget.
Just jump behind, get the height on the block, get straight up on that. Plenty of room on this side.
Yeah.
I might put the block down there on the where
It's a bit tricky because the ground's sloping that way actually a little bit, and it's sloping, sinking. So.
it's going to move a bit.
Hey?
It's going to move a bit too.
Yeah, probably will.
Especially roll from here, it's getting the sloping, so it's going to settle.
That's why we put the big concrete blocks at the front.
Yeah.
On that other side.
Pretty good, alright.
Alright guys, as you can see, we're touchdown in the boatyard. So the next stage of the process is underway. So she'll be here for a couple of months where we'll finish it all off and then get the mast step. Not too long to go.
And as well going through
You going, mate?
brand new.
Yeah, just been finished.
It's a bit too small.
Yeah, get a bit bigger. What are you doing, Mel?
That's what I say. I say the front pilot and then HVR and all that should be on 40 with the truck, and then the back pilot should be on 77 with, and he should only be using 77 with.
Here she is, sitting on the hard,
They're talking to each other up there.
getting her ready to do her final splash once she's all tuned up.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed this insight to building a catamaran.